how to know the trend of every place on your Twitter. So in this video I will tell you how to do this, so just follow this video till the end. So first you need to go and open your Twitter, then it will open directly on your home page. So right now come to this settings and you will find here show content. In this location click allow and click make it look like this allow, sorry. Then here for example I would choose I don't know, a place from here, for example French, and when I back, this is the trend. I will refresh the page and this is the trend and things in French. So that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.